Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing today. Again here bringing my reading for the week starting from the 27th of September till the 3rd of October, that is Sunday. 27th September, that is Monday, and 3rd October, that is the Sunday. The next month starts this week. Also want to tell you something about the ancestor healing that we do. A little bit, just bear with me. This is the month of Pitru Paksh, so basically praying to your ancestors and offering them your valuable time to pray for them, or cooking some good food what they like, and putting putting the food for them. Basically this is actually the days where we pray to our ancestors and thank them for whatever they have given me. We at Karma Healing also do ancestor healing, where whatever the thing that is coming from your ancestors to you, maybe some things that unknowingly is affecting us, whatever our ancestors has done. We ask for forgiveness, as well as we ask for forgiveness for the people whom our ancestor unknowingly must have hurt in past. So we do ancestor healing, we do family constellation also. In that also we do the energies, or we remove the energies that come through the ancestors. So that's and we especially do ancestor healing too. So if anyone interested in these days to get ancestor healing done, please contact us on the number given in the description. You can message us or contact us and take an appointment, and we can go further from there. And also would like to tell you, if you want to do this, is a very good month to ask for forgiveness. Not month, actually the days that you say the Pitru Paksh days are very good to ask for forgiveness from your ancestor. Thank them for whatever they have given us, and ask forgiveness if you have anyway caused any problems or caused any things to hurt them in any way. Also ask forgiveness from the people whom you or your ancestors have hurt knowingly or unknowingly. Ask for forgiveness for those people too. So it can help you in a lot of way by removing blockages and removing problems coming in your life. There are things that don't get resolved easily. So by doing this, there are chances that your problems get resolved easily, plus that the blockages that is coming into your life can also be released by doing that. You will surely see a difference if you pray to your ancestors in these few days where it said the Pitru Paksh. I think the Pitru Paksh ends 6th of October, that is the Amavasya, and from 7 Navratri starts. So you can contact us like I told you. And also, before I start my reading, please go ahead and like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I am on FB as well as on Instagram. So please go ahead and like my page there too. So let's start with our reading. Again, this reading is for 27th of September till the 3rd of October. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the first sign, and that is Aries. 3 cards for people born under the sign of Aries. Quick 3 cards. For the people born under the sign of Aries, first, if I tell you about your health is going to be okay, but you have to be very careful about the people, the people in your life, usually women in your life, for their health. Where your finance is concerned, the finance, I don't see any growth this week coming. Where your finance is concerned, yes, but it's going to remain the same as it is. There is also chances that you will have that kind of confidence, that kind of courage to move forward this week. Some kind of very brave move you plan to make this week. So that is a very good sign. Also take advice of your women this week. This particular week you need to take guidance from your women, because there will be a woman in your life that will give you some good positiveness, good strength to move ahead. So just listen to them this week. And where your career is concerned, the career is going to be normal, but definitely you are going to go ahead and move forward with confidence. So there is a moment shown in the career this week for the people born under the sign of Aries. So that's it. And we'll go ahead with 3 cards for Taurus. So let's go ahead and pick up 3 cards for Taurus. Quick 3 cards for Taurus. For the Taurus people, if I see a financial condition, it is going to be good. Maybe unexpected money is coming to you this week, so be ready for it. Where your career growth is concerned, I do see a forward movement here too. So there are chances that you will see a forward movement in your career. There are chances that you might get a hint that you are going to move forward where your career is concerned. Also, if I see your health is going to be fine, but where your relationship are concerned, that is also going to be fine, but whatever you are waiting for shows a little bit of more weight. But definitely this week is a wonderful week for Taurians because there is a forward movement in all the aspects of your life. And where your health is concerned, I don't see any kind of problems coming your way. Gemini, 3 cards for people born under the sign of Gemini. Cards for the people born under the sign Gemini. For the people born under the sign of Gemini, financial condition is going to be okay, not that great this week. It's going to be the same. I don't see any loss where your finance is concerned. Yes, a common moment definitely in the career is coming for the people born under the sign Gemini. You have to be very, very careful about the people who are not your well-wishers. So there are chances that you might get to find something that is going to cause you some kind of setback kind of a thing. The confidence that you had in a person is going to break this week. You're going to come to know about something that they did behind your back, or are planning to do something behind your back. So just be very, very careful about it. Relationship seems okay because there are the chances that in relationship also this kind of person you might meet, or you might be going out with this kind of person, and that person might cause you some kind of setback. So just be very, very careful. Financial condition remains normal. Growth in career is seen, so there will be some kind of growth coming your way where your career is concerned. And where your health is concerned, yes, little bit of sadness I can see. Nothing major coming to you in this week. So Gemini, and now we'll go ahead and do Cancer. Let's see what the week is telling about the people born under the sign of Cancer. So 3 cards for people born under the sign of Cancer. People born under the sign of Cancer, definitely there is a growth coming to you this week. A growth in your career definitely is seen. I am seeing a travel coming your way where your relationship are concerned. So there are chances you will travel, maybe a short travel, but somewhere to meet someone near and dear ones I can see coming. Financial condition is also looking fine. There will be some finance coming your way where you will have to decide on where you need to invest your money. So there is definitely, if you think of the finance is coming your way, maybe you can also say something hereditary or something from your near and dear ones will be coming to you where your finance is concerned. So it's a good week for you. I do see a growth coming all over this week for you, Cancer people. So relationship looks fine. I don't see any problems. Travel is there this week for you where your relationship are concerned, maybe meeting your family, your friends, your loved ones. I can see that. Finance condition is good. Unexpected money is seen coming. Health looks fine too. Now comes Leo. So we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for people born under the sign Leo. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Leo. For the people born under the sign of Leo, this week is little going to be where your moods are concerned, or where your you can say moods are concerned, or some things that you want to do this week. You will feel tied down. You will feel like there is no enough time, or there is no enough money, or there is no one whom you can help, who can help you this week. So you are going to feel really tied down. But if you see the other way, and if you think positive, the cards are also saying that there is a growth coming your way where your career is concerned. So there is definitely a forward moment coming to you. So you don't have to worry about it. Finance also looks fine. There is chances that there is increase in your finance coming your way this week. Relationship looks okay, because somewhere relationship also there may be a situation where you might feel tied down. You might feel that this is not the thing that you want in a relationship. You want to set free. So that kind of you can say the moods or the thinking is going to come to you this week. The health looks fine. It's just a little bit of thinking that you have been doing too much this week might affect you. Otherwise the health looks fine for you guys. So relationship, you might have a problem in such a way that you might feel a little tied down, or you need to move out, kind of a thing. Career growth definitely there. Finance is coming your way. Health looks normal. So that was for Leo people. Now we'll go ahead and do Virgo. So 3 cards for Virgo. Let's remove 3 cards for Virgo. 3 cards for Virgo. Again, Virgo people, I do see a sudden change coming to you this week. That a change in such a way that boom, boom, boom. It's something like that you didn't even realize that what's coming my way, and this happened it suddenly. So it can be something very sudden which will give you a shock kind of thing, Virgo people, and that change is definitely coming to you this week. And I do see a change in the sense you might change into a totally new workplace, or a totally new you can say a house, and that would be really sudden for you. So it's a change, but it will take some time for you to settle with that change, because it is going to come to you very, very suddenly. Okay, Virgo people, yes, relationship wise, I see you are going to make new friends, you are going to meet new people, and you are going to build new relationship this week. Also, you are going to build relationships. Sometimes the card is also suggesting, where your relationship are concerned, that you are not trying hard enough to go out and meet new people. You are basically, you can say, just sitting and waiting for other people to come and become friends with you. This is not what you have to do. You have to go out, make new friends, meet new people. That way your relationship will grow. So that's one thing that the card is suggesting you to do it. Where your health is concerned, you are quite okay, you are at peace. There is a little bit of tension because of the sudden change, but not a major issue coming in your life. The finance remains the same. I don't see any growth or any loss in your finance. So that's a good thing. So where relationship are concerned, be open to new relationship and you should be fine. Sudden change where your career is concerned or your life is concerned is going to come to you this week. So be ready for it. Health looks fine. There is no worries where your health are concerned. So now we'll go ahead and do Libra. So 3 cards for Librans. For the people born on the sign of Libra, you have to be very, very careful where your health is concerned, because this week brings a lot of tension, a lot of worries and a lot of depression to you. So just take it easy, stay positive, and you shall be okay. Don't take too much stress. Growth definitely is coming to you. Maybe there is too much work coming to you where your work is concerned. That is why there is a lot of tension. There is a lot of, you can say, worries that are coming with that work, but definitely opportunities are coming your way this week. Also, where your finance is concerned, there is some moment in your finance. Of course, there is some growth in your finance coming your way, and there will be some kind of juggle or some kind of things that finance is going to bring a little bit of more work, where to maybe invest them, or where to kind of keep them. But traveling definitely is also seen in your cards, where your finance is concerned, or where your work is concerned. So definitely a short travel is seen this week, coming to you, opportunities coming to you, growth coming to you. There are a lot of chances of more work, more tension coming to you this week. So just be very, very careful. Just don't get into that this vicious circle of just work, 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 and no play, because it is going to cause you some kind of depression, some kind of emotional setback this week. So just be very, very careful about those things. Otherwise, everything looks fine. Relationship is normal. Finance is showing a little bit of growth, but with a lot of work coming to you also, and a lot of stress coming to you. Now we'll go ahead and do Scorpio. Now 3 cards for people born under the sign Scorpio. For the people born under the sign of Scorpio, I do see a celebration coming your way, meeting new people. So if you see your relationship, that there is a growth in your relationship coming. You might meet new people, and there is somewhere where you'll party, or somewhere you're going to meet your old friends. So you're going to enjoy where your relationship are concerned. Definitely a growth is seen where your work is concerned. You are going to meet new people. You are going to meet your family this week. And where your career is concerned, definitely a balance is needed this week. Where your career and your relationship are concerned, you need to balance both equally, so that you don't have stress in one part of your life, or related to one subject in your life, kind of a thing. So where your career is concerned, definitely a growth is seen. In fact, this week you will meet a person, or elderly person, or someone who is going to maybe guide you or help you in your career. So look out for those kind of people who may be of any help to you, who are close to you, like maybe an elderly person, like a father, uncle, or maybe an older boss. I never know about it. So where your relationship are concerned, Scorpions, yes, definitely there is a growth in your relationship. You're going to meet new people, definitely growth in your career too. So there is a forward movement. The only thing that you have to be very careful this week is balancing the career, the relationship, and the other subjects in your life. So, and yes, where your finance is concerned, I don't see any setback where your finance is concerned. So it's going to be the same. Now we'll go ahead and do Sagittarius. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Sagittarius. So let's pick up 3 cards. For the people born under the sign of Sagittarius, definitely growth in a relationship. I can see you are moving forward, trying hard to keep the relationship or grow your relationship, you can say. Definitely a major change coming in your way, a major change in the sense of sudden change coming in your way this week. Suddenly something will happen this week, and you will be like wow, or you will be like shocked. Kind of a thing is going to happen. Where maybe your work is concerned, your career is concerned, and definitely that where your health is concerned, there is a little bit of stress, there is a little bit of thoughts that is going to affecting you this week. It might affect you this week. A lot of thoughts, a lot of worries about your finance, maybe your career, or maybe your health is going to be a problem this week. So just be at peace, just think positive, just take care of yourself where your health is concerned, because stress is going to affect you this week. So Sagittarius, just be very, very careful. A sudden change is definitely coming your way, so look for it. And relationship wise, there is a growth, so you don't have to worry about it. Now we'll go ahead and do Capricorn. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Capricorn. the people born under the sign of Capricorn, I do see you meeting your family, meeting your new friends, not new friends, you can say the old friends, the get together coming to you, and you are going to, where relationship is concerned, be happy this week, a happiness coming to you. There is definitely a growth where your work is concerned, growth where your life is concerned altogether is coming up. Something that you have been wanting to do is coming your way this week, so be open to it. But definitely there is also a little bit of stress coming your way. You might be dreaming this week about some things that you need to work on or something, so that is going to bring you some kind of little stress this week. But definitely relationship is going to grow, you're going to meet old friends. So relationship wise this week is very good. There is a growth in whatever you want to do. Maybe you want to start a new work, or maybe start a new life, or to start a new career, then this is the perfect week for you, because the growth is seen. And where your finance is concerned, it's going to be the same. I don't see an increase or a decrease where your finance is concerned. Health is going to be okay, just a little bit of stress coming to you because of your dreams or because of the things that you have to do this week is going to bring a little bit of stress. Otherwise, the week looks fine for the Capricorns. Now we'll go ahead and do Aquarius. So people born under the sign Aquarius. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Aquarius. People who are born under the sign of Aquarius, this week you have to be very, very careful about people who are negative around you, who don't like you, or maybe who don't like your progress. So Aquarius people, just stay positive, try to be positive, not by not letting the negativity affect you in any way. Maybe wear something to protect yourself, maybe onyx or tourmaline or black tourmaline, or anything that you believe in to protect yourself this week, because I do see negativity around you coming this week. Also, there are chances where your health is concerned, you might have hurt your leg or something related to leg, maybe a leg pain will come your way. So just be very careful where your legs are concerned. Walk slowly, take it easy, and as it is, I told you there are a lot of negative people that is going to be around you this week. So just take care of your health very well. Also, there are a lot of things and there are a lot of things going around you this week. So at this moment, make sure that you don't forget to think before doing anything, something like that. So just take care of the things around you, see, watch, and then go forward to do things, kind of a thing. Just don't take it, you can say, by taking a decision, keeping your eyes and ears shut. Make sure your eyes and ears are open this week. You see around and then make a decision. Be careful with your legs, like I told you, where health is concerned. Be careful with the negative people around you. Stay protected. Also, where your finances are concerned, looks normal. I don't see any problems where your finance is concerned. Relationship also looks normal. Just stay away from negative people. Now we'll go ahead and do Pisces. So I'm going to pull 3 cards for people born under the sign Pisces. For the people born under the sign of Pisces, there are going to be little mood swings coming to you this week. Don't worry about it. It's just our mood swings. It will go away. Stay positive. Also, where your finance is concerned, you have been waiting for some kind of growth coming in your finance, but I do still see that weight coming your way where your finance is concerned. So this week also this week also I see a weight. So just take it easy. The finance will come your way, but this week you will have to again wait and watch. Also, definitely a growth in your career. So there might be something that you will see a growth where your work is concerned. Maybe if you have a business, or if you're working for someone, a hint or maybe a message coming from someone that there is going to be some kind of a promotion or some kind of growth coming your way this week. Where your relationship are concerned, again, there is something that you have to balance. So where your relationship is concerned and your work is concerned, there is a balance that is needed. Also, be very careful where your moods are concerned, because it is going to give you some kind of mood swings this week where your health are concerned. But if you think positive, meditate, and stay around with happy people, I think this week should be okay for you. So that's it for Pisces, and we are done for the week's reading. And as I always tell you, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it. Also, I am on Facebook and Instagram, so please go ahead and like my page there. Also, like I told you before, these are the days for Pitru Paksh, so ancestral healing is very, if done, is very powerful in this day. So if anyone wants to do ancestral healing and contact us, the number is in the description. I have given the number. You can contact us or take an appointment, and we can go further from there. So that's it for now. Stay blessed, stay happy, and love you all.